how to add or remove increased contrast to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. In here, tap on Increase Contrast to add it to the menu, or tap on it to deselect and remove it from the menu. Now if I add it, you can see that if I swipe up and go back to the home screen, and when I triple click on the side button, this will open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, and here it shows the option Increase Contrast. I can tap on that to increase the contrast or to remove it. You can see the text on my menu here is stronger, bolder, and sharper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.